Morning from the motorcycle garage. Just a little update really. I'm just going to be doing a silly little experiment, running my Aprilia Tuono with those off. In fact, they're the standard factory ones, and I've actually got Akrapovic ones, or Akrapovic as some people say, and I'm going to switch them over. But in the meantime, I've got the cans off, and I thought, oh, it'd be nice to see what it sounds like with the cans off, just straight headers straight out. So here we go for nothing. I warmed the bike up previously actually, because I've just been doing some work on the bulbs, but let's see how we go. Could be noisy, or it might not. We will see. Watch out, neighbours. I think that's enough of that. I'll get complaints from the neighbours, but anyway, just an experiment. I don't know if you liked it or not, but bit of fun. I think it sounded like an old tractor on tickover, but revving it, it actually sounded quite cool, I thought. So anyway, onwards and upwards. I'll be putting the Akrapovic on now, and I'll catch you again. Thanks then, bye.